Hello, welcome to Spinal Attraction. As a massage therapist for over 3 decades, I learned some really great techniques. A lot of that was from trading with the best massage therapists that I could find, instructors mostly. As we were taught in school, nothing bad, but working with the thumbs to work the feet. It's one digit. You work and you work your thumbs, and we need our thumbs all the time doing massage for deep tissue. What I learned from a person that I traded with, the 3 fingers, the pinky doesn't do much, but these fingers, you wrap it around the foot like this. Now I can work the muscles, ligaments, tendons, all the soft tissue in the arch. Very, very helpful. By doing this, I've had a lot of people that tell me the doctor says they've got plantar fasciitis. Thank you. So means that your feet basically, they need a lot of work to get this worked out and softened up. And I've had many people along the years that their feet hurt so bad, and they try different arches and they try different medications, whatever works for you. But I have had great results working in there with my fingers. And of course, you have to be sensitive to the person's age and athletic ability or not, and what they do for work. Good questions. And that's only part of it. We can continue. And again, it's just nice, firm pressure, not so much that it hurts. And you can work and work their feet. And it's much easier than using thumbs. So again, if you're a massage therapist, this really might be something you've been looking for to help your hands and be more efficient, proficient in what you're doing. You can squeeze the toes. You can, sometimes you hear that? This is my son, he's only 15, so he's okay with all this. I squeeze the heel nice and firmly. And I work on these areas here, the medial malleolus, the lateral malleolus. Massage therapists, people that know anatomy know what I'm talking about. Doesn't matter. But I can work all in this area right here. Note of caution, if you're working on a pregnant woman, do not put pressure in this area. You can cause a miscarriage. I had the honor one time of a pregnant lady in her 9th month called me. She was a client and a friend, and she said, "Come over, help me. I want to have this baby now." And that's the only time I had the honor of inducing her labor, and it worked. Within a matter of hours, she had her baby. Here is a book that I wrote called The Back Bible. I began massage school because of my own pain in my back. I hurt myself a long time ago. And shorten the story, I have ended up with one surgery that led to a second surgery in my back that led to one above and one below. So I have 4 lumbar discs replaced with hardware. This will tell you many things about mistakes I made so you don't make those mistakes, as well as chiropractic, massage therapy, nutrition, many things that are in there, hanging from an inversion table. You can look this up on Amazon at this point. My name right here, Michael Ahern, LMT. If you don't look for that, it may take you a week to find it because of Bibles and churches and synagogues. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Stay curious.